Okay, hola chicos. So today we're going to start our grammar topic and it's called los adjetivos demonstrativos. And los adjetivos demonstrativos are demonstrative adjectives. And we use these in English as well when you say this iPad here, that couch there, that car over there. So we're going to be focusing on those words, this, that one over there, here, there, over there. And you did cover this last year, and for any students that may have had me last year, these are my favorite things to teach, so I'm sad that I'm not in class with you guys to be able to teach it to you, but I'm going to try my very best to teach it to you via this video. So just please make sure you're following along with the PowerPoint and fill in any blanks that you might need. So we're going to start. Use the demonstrative adjectives this, that, these, and those to point out where people things are. In Spanish, the demonstrative adjectives must agree. What do I mean by agree? So they have to be singular or plural, masculine or feminine. So when we have agreement in Spanish, it's usually like alta, chica. And these agree because chica is singular, feminine, and the word up here is also singular, feminine. So that's what I mean, they have to agree with their noun. You're going to have to look at a word and make sure that you can identify, is it singular, looking at the end, and is it masculine or plural. So that's what I mean by agree. So we're going to get to our first words, and we have singular and plural. So this word that's always going to go with the clue phrase aquí, singular is este, está, estos is going to be the plural, and estas is going to be the plural as well. So all four of these words, whenever you see the word aquí in a sentence, it's going to mean this one here. So blank, pluma, aquí. So here's our clue word that we're going to make sure that we use. And we're going to look at this word. Pluma. Is pluma masculine or feminine? It's feminine. And is it singular or plural? Pluma is singular. So you're going to go to the singular section up here. Okay. And which one is feminine? So this sentence would read, esta pluma aquí es para el estudiante. So the clue phrase aquí is going to say here. Then you're going to look at the word next to it to decide which one should you use, masculine, feminine, singular, plural. And then you're going to fill that in. So this sentence right here is saying this pencil here is for the student. So I always say este, está, estos, estas. The plural of este is estos. The plural of esta is estas. So I always say este, aquí. Okay. The next one we're going to talk about is going to be not this one here, but that one there, or those over there. So this one's going to be ese, allí, or esa, allí. Both of these words mean that. And then it would be esos or esas, those. For example, that pencil there, those pencils there. And these words, if you ever see the word allí, allí means there. So you don't say this one there, you say that one there. And again, what we're going to do is you always work backwards. You go to the clue phrase to figure out which four words you can use only. Then you go to the word next to it, cuadernos. Cuadernos is masculine. It ends in OS, and it's plural. So you would need to go up to your chart here and find the masculine plural. So this one would be esos cuadernos allí están en el escritorio. So again, ese, esa, esos, esas. This one means that. The plural of that is those. This sentence is saying, let me see if I can type it really quick. Those notebooks there are on the desk. Okay? So we have the word there goes with allí. Notebooks comes from cuadernos. And those is going to be esos. And then the last one that we're going to do when we talk about something farther away. So that kid all the way over there or those cars over there. And this one's going to be aquel or aquella. The plural of aquel is aquellos and aquellas. Okay? And this one will always go with allá. So that one all the way over there. You don't say this one over there. It just doesn't make sense in English. So as always, we're going to go to the clue phrase first. We see allá. So allá means you can only use these four. You're going to go to this noun. Chicas, is it singular or plural? And is it masculine or feminine? So you're going to go up to the chart at the top. You're going to go to the feminine column and the plural. So this one should match. Oops. And it should be aquellas chicas allá son hermanas. And this sentence says, those sisters over there are those girls, sorry, I'll fix that. Those girls over there are sisters. I'm going to show you exactly what words come from where. So, allá means over there. Chicas, girls. And those is aquellas. So the plural of that is those. And this is for something farther all the way. And again, this is allá. So here we are. I'm just going to map out how you would see it maybe on a test or a quiz or a homework. I would give you a word such as cuarto, and you would have to fill in aquí, allí, allá. Aquí means here, allí means there, and allá means all the way over there. This one here, that one there, that one over there. So, this is masculine, so you would do este, and then you would fill in estos. Then the clue word allí would go with ese, and the plural of ese is esos. And then allá would be aquel and aquellos. So again, aquí can only go with este, allí can only go with ese, and allá. And we're using masculine right now because the word cuarto. So this is the given word. It's masculine. So all your nouns have to be masculine. So this sentence is saying this room here, that room there, that room all the way over there. Okay. So again, we have three charts. Este, esta, estos, estas. We have ese, esa, esos, esas. And then we have aquel, it's aquel, aquella, don't say aquella, it's aquella, aquellos, and aquellas. And what you have to do, it's up to you to make sure that you know that este, esta, estos, estos only go with aquí. Ese, esa, esos only go with allí. And aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas go with allá. So I always teach my students aquí, allí, allá. Here, there, over there. So if you see the clue word, then you can only use those 4 options. So you cannot have a word that says allí with aquellos. You can't cross them. Okay? So let's try the next one. We have the word cama, which is feminine because it ends in A. So, esta cama, they match in gender and in number. What would the plural of esta be? Has to match camas. Estas. Now we're changing the clue word, so we can't use este anymore. We're going to go to our next chart, which is ese, esa, esos, esas. But because it's feminine, we have to make sure we match it. So this one would be esa cama ya. And the plural of esa would be esas. Allí. Sorry. And then the last one, allá, goes with 4 words, aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas. But again, cama is feminine, so you have to make it match. So this would be aquella, and this one is plural, aquellas. So really, really, really what's important is knowing aquí, allí, allá. And what I try to do is I only try to memorize the first one and know that there's 3 more parts. So I always say este, ese, aquel. And then from here, I know that there's many different forms. So este can be masculine, feminine, singular, plural. And then you have 3 more types. Este can be masculine, feminine, singular, plural. So I always say este aquí, ese allí, aquel allá. This one here, that one there, that one all the way over there. Aquí, ahí, allá. Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is an assignment, and in the assignment, I always want you to highlight the clue phrase. Oops, that's not a highlighter. To highlight the clue phrase in the sentence first, so you know, okay, what clue words can I use? Then match it to gender and number. Okay, so please go to Schoology to make sure you complete that assignment and submit it as well. Email me if you have any questions. Okay, chicos, adios.